guys, this is my lady. We just color her hair. And now we're going to put her a beautiful, nice bob haircut, yeah? Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
She's ready and I'm ready, guys. We're going to cut it in one time. In just one time, guys. So we're going to come all her hair here. And directly cut. Ready? I'll put it here, so. So. Go down. Okay. I think it's nice when the bob line is done perfectly, especially when you have fun here. See? And in the first line, we don't remove so much. We remove only in the back. Yeah? And it's perfect. Okay. Now, we made the line, but if I leave it like that, it stay like that. I'm going to cut inside, okay? I'm going to cut inside. Do you trust me? No? Do you trust me?
Yeah.
Thank you. So I'm going to use this scissors. I'm going to cut inside here so your hair goes easy inside. So, a nice bob haircut, guys. Very easy. Look at it. Goes inside. Then I'm going to show it to you, yeah? Perfect. Let me see. Yes, it goes inside. Here, it doesn't go inside. Cut inside. Perfect. It's directly perfect. It stays perfect. Let me show you. Yeah? Now, this one we must leave it long. Yeah? So, guys, ladies, we're gonna cut here. So, we're gonna leave this long and this long, so it goes like that. Yeah? Is that opposite way what they use in your hair before? Yeah? Okay, guys, let me see. My lady first time from Finland. I'm so happy to do your hair. Thank you so much for visiting us here. Look, so we're gonna come the hair in the back, guys, and we remove only little bit because we want to keep this long. Yeah. Did you see that? Now we go to the side, and then we will check the hair. Here, say that. So check this, perfect, and check this one. So you're gonna come the hair like that, all hair here to the back, and we're gonna remove only the corner. To check her hair, what we're going to do is we'll come all her hair from the side to here. I love the color, it's really nice. You like it? You know when it's dry? And then in December, maybe you're going to come back. Or when you're going to come back? For color again. You see? Now I come the hair all here. Remove this point. Now we're going to come the hair to that side. To the side here to check the hair. You see when it is dry it's lighter, and when it is totally blow dried it will be different color, even more beautiful. I like your blonde hair. Yeah. So perfect. Go down. Thank you. See, it's perfect. You don't need to remove nothing. Okay. Now we're gonna check to the back, guys. So I'm gonna come all her hair to the back. Come back here. So you see that? We're gonna come all her hair to the back, and we check to the back, and it is perfect bob line. The most important, the back will go inside, so you don't need to do that much. And the hair, look at it, beautiful. See, everywhere, beautiful, nice highlight, and perfect highlight. Remove this. Ready. Perfect. Okay, guys, we finished haircut. I need to blow dry her hair. Just nothing special, just little bit, yeah? Perfect, yeah? Ready? Okay, guys, she's ready. So you're gonna throw all this out, and then we'll put you the cap so I can blow dry your hair, yeah? Yeah. You see? How do you feel with the ball? Nice.
Ah.
Very nice, eh? Very nice. Yeah. I put you the cap so I can blow dry your hair. Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna blow dry her hair. So I'll show you how to blow dry. Everybody was asking me which bleach I'm using. I'm using Vivian bleach. Did you feel your hair? Perfect. No dry, nothing. Do you feel it? It's amazing feeling in your hair. It's still healthy, shiny. I remove the hair from here. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Lovely. So I will do now. I will do blow dry. We're gonna use a product in here. Yeah, is this one? This is root lift, and this is also. Hey guys, I'm gonna use this one, Vivian Hermes. Yeah, this is root lift, and it stays your hair perfect with blow dry, and it holds the hair for a long time, and it is also hair lacquer and anti-freeze. So I'm gonna blow dry, guys. Okay, put you here. So you'll see the video later, yeah, in the house. And see? Perfect. Ready? And this finishing spray, makes your hair stay perfect very, very long time. Little bit fun, so that you can see the hair. The finishing spray makes your hair stay perfect long time. I like it. You like it? Yeah. It's just perfect. You must see it dry. You must see it dry. Okay, now I put it here. You can see it when it is dry. It's amazing. See how beautiful. When your hair dries, normally it becomes lighter because it was little bit virgin hair. You see? Amazing. Can you see the color? It's still the roots. It's color too. Inches. Better love. You see yourself? Can you see yourself? How beautiful is this color? Amazing. Huh? Can you see? I am glad you give me a chance to show you how beautiful hair you are. Oh my God. We are there. We are still there. Sorry guys. Wait. Okay. The camera is a little bit didn't break. Yeah, thank God didn't break. Okay guys, let me put you here so you can see the beautiful color on the lady. More beautiful, huh? Can you see the color now? Yeah? Perfect, both ones. when you fall down, the camera. You can see that. Don't worry, that was light. Yeah. That's beautiful. Very nice. Yes. This is iPhone 17. Don't fall. Can you see the color? Can you see the color? Amazing. Some people like it more gray. I like it gold. Gold is nice. You guys, beautiful hair color. Beautiful. You saw only 15 minutes and the hair is perfect. Yes? Okay. No comment. No comment. No comment. Nobody comment. That's good. Okay guys, I bring you here so I can blow dry her hair here up, yeah? So that I can see that light. I like it, it's beautiful. After 6 months, you come back, okay, for the color, okay? Yeah. Don't go somewhere else. Yeah. I love the color, amazing. And it's suited this color, sir. Yeah, not your back. Put your back back. Put your back. From Holland. Very good. How beautiful. Yeah. Amazing the color. Original bleach, I told you. We have the best bleach for your hair. And it stays perfect, the hair. Nice, that one. Now we go here. You are very cold, lady. You are very cold. Now I go here. You go down. Okay, I'm going back here. You see here, your hair is amazing. Okay guys, so we colored her hair, we blow dry it, and then we just see the beautiful, nice bob line. Come here, you can see it better. Just amazing. Yeah. So. How do you feel?
Oh, I like it.
You like it?
Yes. Good feeling.
It's good feeling, baby.
Yeah.
Good feeling. She have good feeling. Perfect feeling. Start? Perfect. I will stay 6 months in your hair. And it's perfect. And then when you gonna come back? September?
September.
Perfect. Then you come back to us. And then we will do it again. Right? And everybody's so waiting for going. Tell me. It's a history. It's a history. Never come up over. Okay, so a bob line. So you put just the same product, you see, the same, just little bit far away. That's all what you do. Look at it, guys. Amazing, lovely, nice. Bob line. You can also do one side here. You see, like this. Oh wow, amazing. Do you see? It's beautiful. Let me show you. Yeah? I'll show you one side here and one side there. Hey guys, look at the color. It's amazing. So just one side like this and one side like that. Perfect. See? I love it. What you also can do with this product is like put your hair here, some hair lacquer, and then take your comb and just comb the hair. Then it gives you this kind of shape. You see? It's just perfect. But you can also put here and like that. Perfect. You see? It's just amazing. How do you feel? Happy?
Good feel.
Yeah? Okay. Could you turn the chair like that so everybody can see it? Yes, yes. Wait. Perfect. Guy, look at her hair. Amazing. Lovely, nice hair color. We did this to the back of her ear. So you see, very nice. Turn back. Yes, yes. This is the bob line and the color we put in her hair. Amazing, lovely, natural color. I use the bleach. Let me show you which one. Okay, this one we used Vivian bleach. Vivian Hermes bleach is a very the best bleach you can ever have in the world. Actually, it's powered, as you see, high powered, hydrated, conditioned with keratin, and it's the best bleach I have ever used in my life. To be honest, it's natural. It is good. It doesn't break your hair, and it makes it shiny. As you see here, this is her hair. Do you feel it? It's perfect, no? You don't even feel like there is a bleach in it, yeah? Okay? So tell me, this is my lady, first time from Finland. How do you feel? Are you happy?
Very good, yes. Thank you so much. I'm so happy.
She's very happy. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much. My lady from Finland, first time, very happy. I'm happy. Thank you for visiting us. We say to everybody there, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.